It is I, CMZ, your host, here for the 100 Trades Backtesting Challenge. This is Series 3, Episode 16. We're using MarketCipher Basic Strategy and journaling every single trade with TradeZella. The asset is Micro Nasdaq, that's MNQ for the symbol. This is historic price action data being replayed from February 2025. We go live now to the charts. You'll see the last trade we took. And in this one, we caught a big portion of that, folks. This green line was actually our stop loss. We were in the trade, like all the way down here, 258 points. Are you actually serious? So I took, I only went in 15 contracts because I thought it was fairly risky based on having a tight stop loss. Well, no, that's a normal stop loss. Look, in order to get it above there, we had to lower contract size so that we could stay in a manageable number, folks. Just managing the risk. What can I say? Well, we did take profit at about 50 ticks. We took 10 contracts and we let the other 5 ride. We actually took 3 contracts somewhere down here. And then last but not least, we got stopped out here. What happened afterwards? I do not know. Yeah, we haven't fast forwarded that. So let's go ahead and get there now. This would be Monday. We did New York. In and out in like 30 minutes, folks. $2,700. So we go to Monday, Asian time. There she is. I can just Monday, February 24th. Let's get there. The last week of this series for us to trade, Monday to Friday. If we can nail two trades a day, if we can just take 2 trades a day, it'd be 8 trades. And then we only get the New York session 9 trades potentially to finish up this series. But we have 11 left in the 100 trades total. So that's going to be interesting. Talk about not over trading. We're going to have, the goal was to try and trade 30 times. We're not even going to get to 30. I love it. So this is where we're going. And there it is, folks. We did the right thing getting out there. Well, maybe not. Oh gosh, we should have stayed in. Yeah, we even just a break even. I only had 1 contract in at the time. Oh, but you know what? We need to be out no later than like here. This market ends up closing. I like it. I like it. All right, we're in the Asian session, folks. Let's go ahead and set up. I mean, I like it over there where it was. All right. Get rid of that. Okay, let's get caught up here. TradeZella. We're looking to get to right here.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts.
I'm just trying to get it to 154. As close to 154 as possible. And then it just became a game, you know. Of course, I can just grab one of these. I'm just marking what looked like the golden pocket, assuming I did that right. You know, 154. See what happens. That's a long ways away, folks.
Giving you my hand.
All right, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Let's take a look at some MarketCipher. First, let's fast forward this like 20 minutes since we've been setting up our chart and everything. There it is.
Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight?
12 hours. Looks like it wants to dump. 8 hours dumping. Doesn't look like it's turning around.
Did he tell you why? Has anybody told you why?
Yeah, look at this 2 hour
Have you any idea?
money flow. Crap. What just happened? I closed the MarketCipher window somehow.
Did he tell you why?
Oh, now what did I see? Oh, I didn't see it, but what does everybody else see? 432. I hope that's not
Have you
fine.
any idea why?
Oh, good. It didn't reveal the game. Okay, good. It looks like I closed the MarketCipher window somehow. All right, give me a second here. Take a look at the trading plan while I get this corrected real quick. Okay. We're back in there. And I looked at the stupid 2 hour again. Okay, 5 minute. Actually, where we were. Okay. Strong on the higher, mid to lower time frames. Starts looking a little bit. We might have a little bit of fight in her. But then again, not really. I think we're running with the bears, folks, until I see some kind of evidence that she can get back up here.
Why do I keep feeling this pain? It's like I'm going for insane. It's nothing left to say. It is don't let it be. Away from me, away from me. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you.
He's always,
Always you.
not always,
Always you.
but these tend to play out in a bullish kind of way. Oh, she's trying to get back. Okay, yeah, we sweeped here. Maybe we come back in here, feel some imbalance, and then crack on back down. Hold on. That don't look bearish, so. Okay. Would have preferred it to come a little bit higher, but you know. That'd be a solid trade, folks. That would be a solid trade. It's in this range. I can't. Nope. Law of the range. Bears want to push down, but there's some buyers that would prefer, or some bears that would prefer to get up here. I think these bears are just getting FOMO. Price wants to come up here, and then I think she wants to crack down afterwards. But we sit on our hands, and actually that's a wrap. So the Asian session, just pushed back and forth. We're going to stop right there, 10:30. We don't need to be trading later than 10:30. It's going into the London session. London's going to do what London wants to do here. I'm not even going to guess. Well, what I said is still my guess, I guess you could say. I'm not going to change my guess. But that's it. That's it. There was no trade, Asian. There was no trade. And no, we're not going to trade to London. I'm not doing it. New York, here we come. Tuesday 25th. Beautiful short. Right after. This is like right where we said, no, there's no trade. We're not going to trade that. Oh man, look at that. Beautiful. But this is kind of how I like to do it right now. We'll talk more about all that in the future videos. I want to stay focused on this trade right now. Tuesday, New York session. Where are we at? On the 5. Got a new low here. New local low. Fairly bullish. I'm interested to know if there's a divergence going on there. In order to find out, we're gonna have to get caught up here. Tuesday, New York. Oh my gosh. What have I done? No. I'm an idiot. Tuesday. 25th. Shit. Damn. I messed up, folks. Oh my gosh, dude. Well, we know it's going down, so I can't trade it. Damn, I might have just messed up the end of the series here. That sucks. I mean, now for me, I don't really remember what the price does. I do for this New York session. I know she's going down, but because we saw those candles. But what it was doing over here, I know it went down again, but I mean, this is Tuesday the 25th. Somewhere towards the end of the week. Yeah, she's going down again, but there's a lot of ups and downs. I don't have photographic memory. I don't know what to tell you. We still got to trade this series. I'll tell you this, it looks bullish right here. So we're going to just play it how we play it. And if I feel like it's something that I know or whatever, I'm going to call it out. But what we're looking for and why it really doesn't matter, even if we knew exactly where price was going, that would affect our bias in one way or another. But the ability to find the entry, it's a whole system in itself. And that's what we're here to do, trade the plan, trade the system. Right now, the mid time frames, that right there looks like it could come back up, give us a nice trigger wave. Maybe by 9 o'clock we can get a move. All right, I tell you what, it's unfortunate because I don't actually know, but let's just go to the next day, because I definitely couldn't tell you. Like if we go to Tuesday, we just skip the New York session, you know? I don't know, folks. I want this to be fair, and I think I just messed it up. Not that I know, it's just the stream is the stream. But yeah, you know what? At any point in time, if I wanted to, when I'm not streaming, I could just go look at what's going to happen. So that's the thing with backtesting. But I'm telling you, this stream has a high level of integrity. I want to learn this and get good at it. I'm not going to short myself. So with that being said, we're going to stick with the plan, which is to trade this New York session. Let's find out what we would do and when we would do it. Right here, is this a short opportunity? Money flows kind of inwardly curved here. RSI's got strong though at the top here. This 15 is washed up. The price at 22.15. Where we at here? 7 a.m. Oh, we at least gotta get to 7 a.m. Yeah. Yeah, that means this was a short. Okay, this is 15. Here's the 5. We gotta get to 7 a.m. Beautiful. Yeah. Would I have entered? Definitely was thinking about it, but I think with me messing it up, it just kind of threw everything off. And we were just trying to catch up the 7 a.m. here, since I already clearly knew where that was going. Folks, we're going to the Asian session. I'm not playing. I'm not gonna try to figure this out anymore. Tuesday 1600. Can I get to Tuesday 1600 without messing it up? 1600. Alright, here it is. It's a beautiful short, it sure was. All right, Asian session. Asian session just be wanting to go sideways sometimes. Well, I tell you, I'm not seeing anything like particularly. Yeah, there's that sideways. She's kind of moving. That ain't nothing, 44, 60 points move. This could have been a move right here. I think I had my candles a little too tight. All right, that's it. 9 o'clock. From 6 to 9. If we don't see a trade, this might have been a trade, but I wasn't looking at it closely enough. Let's go to Wednesday. Running out of runway here, folks. Can't afford any more technicalities. Get forward a little bit. These are some deep waves, folks. This is pretty bearish. Every time the bulls try to get some relief, crack down. Kind of need her to retrace a little bit, you know, to the top of this 5 minute. Something, give us an entry. It's not going to give us any kind of I guess this was the pullback. Yeah, let's run it. Give it the 2. That's something. Still kind of like it right there. Like it even better there. Folks, I'm getting it right there. Let's just do a confirmation run. Systems check. Inwardly curved on the money flow. Don't really have that 4-hour support yet. Or the 2-hour. All right, let's wait. Let's see what it's gonna do. Exactly. That's why we don't, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, how could I have memorized that? Folks, I don't know what's going to happen. I just know what I see in MarketCipher. There was no high to low alignment. Yo, that's gotta be bullish, right? Like, goodness gracious. Yeah, we're hopping in. It's bull o'clock. Give it to 2. That sucks, but we can work with it. I have to go light. I have to go light. 7/12. It's Wednesday, 7/12. Oh, was that the yeah, that's the golden pocket. So now she's getting a little bit of push. How far down did we? We're pretty far. All right, we're going long. We're going long. So 1 minute. We get down to the 1 minute. That doesn't matter. 303.35. Folks, we gotta go light. We gotta go light so I can set my stop. Okay. TP1, love for it to be up there, but maybe like 400. That's a generous TP. $256.75. So based on MarketCipher, and I'm thinking we're gonna crush right through this pre-market high for New York. I'm getting some screenshots here. Really like this 15 RSIs, shooting star style. Bears are here, but looking to get a, looking to get a push up, looking to get a push up from these bulls based on the 5, 15, and what I'm seeing on the 40 to 30. Look at that trigger. I think we got a good shot here. We came in with half the contracts so that we could manage our risk with where we need to put our stop loss. Very key. Very key, folks. Watching the 1 minute. Will she go higher or will she dump? I like these triple wicks here. It just tells me there's a lot of bullish pressure right in there, so that's what first caught my eye. Yeah. Let's leave that. Let's leave that. No, I don't even know what that. Yeah, get that out of there. Up, down. Okay, folks. Let's journal it up here. Might coin the frame of flame. Lord, we might coin the name shooting star RSIs if this 15-minute plays out like I'm hoping. That's the plan. That's what we see. That's why we're getting in the trade. Let's get our screenshots. Sheesh, that 2 hour. I mean, the 2 hours on the way up, folks. Is on the way up. That's why. I mean, she could crack down. Don't get me wrong. This could be a totally false, fake, you know, wannabe, and then boom. But, you know, I'm looking at what I'm seeing. I'm seeing an opportunity here to get back up here. Love for the sweep to happen and then for it to crack down, because it does look like the bears are here, but they need a breather. I mean, look at that. They just dumped almost 400 points the day before. Of course, they've recovered more than half of that. Folks, it's risky. I mean, this is why we only got 10 contracts. Come on, folks. Come on, folks. All right. It's time to see this trade pays or delays. 1 minute at a time here. We're gonna have to close some candles above this. Bull's got a little bit of pressure going on. We want to see those bottom wicks. We don't want to see top wicks. Oh, they're putting up a fight. They're a little indecisive here, folks. We were up. We should have took profit. Well, that's not necessarily true. We're only 15 minutes in. Let's check out the 3 minute. It's turning bearish. The 15's star is burning out, but it hasn't flipped on us completely. The 10 hasn't flipped yet. It's close. It could turn ugly.
Life is like trick or treat, and that's all.
What about our 30-minute trigger? Our 30-minute trigger looks good. 24 looks good. 15's not red yet. We got a little bit of hope here. You know, a little bit.
You really want advice? Just hold your shit together, and you will be fine.
Things have not turned around yet. So we are still in this, folks. We are at break even. That's where the price is. Our stop's in the same place. Nothing's changed. Looking for this, 30-minute to continue to play out here for us. We just got to stay alive. Now, that's not what we want to see. 10 still alive. 15, we're back in motion. We're just seeing some commotion. Even the 40, yeah. I mean, we got to ride it out, folks. Even though the lower time frames are starting to
You know,
buck a little bit.
life is like trick or treat.
Need these
And that's all.
bulls finish their breakfast. This is the New York session, folks, where anything can happen. The bulls getting a little bit of motion, a little bit of motion. Gonna check on things. Things look good. Folks, things look good. We're almost at the hour. We'll make a decision soon on whether or not to take some profits.
You really want advice? Just hold your shit together and you will be fine.
Okay. We are here at an hour in the trade. Folks, we are up. We are up. I took a long in a very bearish trend. I took a long. So, I don't know what more you want from this channel, folks. But I am lasered in on MarketCipher on these support and demand zones, supply and demand zones, support and resistance zones.
You know,
Supply is actually
life is like trick or treat.
your bearish areas,
And that's
your
all.
resistance. Demand are the bulls. There's a demand, they want to buy. There's a lot of supply, it's there to sell. We're moving to here, 810. And not a minute longer, 810. Yeah, so I mean, like, look, only right here, this is, so we got in at 710. This is more than a half hour in, and we're only 150 in profit, negative 75 in profit. We were actually well into the negative for a hot minute there. Somewhere in here, but 270. Anyways, where are we at now? We need to get to 810. Folks, we're at 1100 in profit right here. It would be 2200, but if we, folks, look, if we used full 10 contracts, oops, right here, we would have had to risk 2,000, over 2,000, maybe 2,200 but we only risked, what are we risking? 1,400, you know, a very sustainable amount, a very normal risk amount for me. And otherwise it would have been 2,800. Oh yeah, it'd have been double this. It would have been double that. It would have been $2,800. And we don't want to risk that much. That's almost our entire drawdown. So we had to do 10 contracts so that we could stay in the game here. So that we could stay in the game, folks. Now, I'm not even going to hold you. We might just take this and complete the series. But we're not trading for the series. We're trading to trade the plan. So the plan right now says we take some profit. We are at profit, close enough at the 1 hour. Gets riskier after a 1 hour. We're going to move stop directly to break even. And we're going to take some profit. And we're going to take some profit. We're going to take some profit. We're taking, oh, we're going to take 5. We'll take half. Sell. All right, we're at 8,500. And our stop is in profit. Our stop is in profit. Just trading the plan here. Going to 910. Because I mean the 5 still looks good. I like my 15. It's only been an hour. Will she stop us out, or will the bulls continue to run it up? The 1 is pretty bearish. The 3, 5. 45. 15 has not come around yet. So we're going to stay in it, folks. It's going to have to come and get us. All right, let's do another check. Okay, now that's bearish enough on the 15 for me. Yeah, she's had her run. So let's pack it up. We're at 8:55. We stayed in almost another hour. Watch it on the 5 here. On to 8:55. She wanted us. The bulls kept it alive. $393.50. There it is. So that's as close as we get. All right, we're closing it up. Boom. So we technically would have passed the challenge. We've succeeded with our goal here in Series 3. Let's go. Let's get both of them out here. Our mascots. Give it up for the mascots, folks. The Bulls. Show and tell. The Bears. Upsetting the Bulls. Just when they think they got a shot. That is awesome, folks. Tell me why I really wasn't worried. Folks, I feel like my trading is so locked in right now. I'm ready to take on this funded challenge now. So let me document this post trade. If we kept 20 cons, the stop loss I mean, the way that we didn't just wrap it all up at 9,000, we actually added another $140 by sticking around for another hour and waiting on our exit criteria, which, folks, I still think she's got it in her to get a little bit closer, but we're not worried about that. I don't care about that. I just run it. I just call it like I see it. Playbook. I don't think the high was. Yeah, that's it for this series. I mean, we reached 9,000. I guess we could low key trade to 10,000 just to. Yeah, might as well trade out the rest. So I'm not gonna look at the candles on these, but we do want to see. What do I want to see? Oh, did I have higher time frame support? 8 hour. Yeah, 8 hour, 6 hour. VWAP was coming up. I mean, it was enough. All that. Yep, we did that. Right. Kinda. Well, it was after this one. Yeah, we saw the 3. Oh yeah, we had this. We had all this defensive. And this was trend reversal. Aced. Yeah, our exit was beautiful. Our entry. Yeah, the entry needs to be like if we got in like here or here, that would be decent, the entry. Oh, I was content, peaceful, spoke to me, confident. You know, especially since we didn't risk all 20 contracts, that would have been nerve-wracking. When it pulled back here, we'd have been like $2,000 down in drawdown. No thanks. Again, another reason why I love the Micro NQ. Those 10 contracts was like trading one NQ contract, where we normally trade 2 NQ contracts. I wouldn't have been able to take partials. All right, folks, so that is that. Let's look at the board. Yeah, we missed the New York. Not missed, but I've flubbed the New York session here on Tuesday. And then didn't see anything Asian session within 3 hours or so. So I called it and went right to the New York. Our favorite time to trade anyways, the New York. Take a look at these weekly statistics. Big numbers, you know, and just like down 1,000, up 1,000, and then big numbers. I like this here. I mean, we're okay with that. We can tighten this up. Probably shouldn't have taken 2 trades that day. Yeah, if the New York ain't hot, you know, what am I doing? The New York's where it's at, folks. Look at that. Right around 7 to 8 is where I'm taking my trades that make thousands of dollars. And then the duration, you know, we're in these things anywhere between a half hour and 2 hours. Yeah, now I like this style of trading that I got going on here. We technically have 10 more trades, and we're gonna do them, you know, if we see the opportunity here. I mean, we'll see if we can. We've already achieved what we needed to achieve here. The next step is, you know, kind of the next goal would be, okay, well, over these next 2 days, or, you know, one Asia session here, 2 trades here, that's 3, and then New York, that's 4. We got 4 more trades potentially. Can we make this number bigger, or will we lose some money? This would have passed. This is what we did here. Passes the 150K prop firm challenge, and it would have taken a month to do it. Now the thing is, once we pass, the next month we do it again, and then this becomes real profit. We can take it to the bank. We're very close, folks. Real-time month is October, so November could be the past month, and then December we could be taking our first profit by Christmas. How cool would that be? All right. We're going to wrap it up right there. Folks, you wouldn't want to miss the next time CMZ trades.